Hello friends, Matthew Deary checking in today with a water slide video. As you can see, today is the perfect day and weather for a water slide video.
Are you stupid or something?
Well, actually, I'm here in frigid Minnesota, and to tell you the truth, I've been sitting on this FPV drone footage that I got my friend Jordan to capture in the summer. I've been sitting on it for a long time. I've been super busy. I haven't got around to it, and now look at Minnesota. So now I'm actually finally getting around to editing this footage. Let's jump back to warm Minnesota. Make this all happen, we invited friends and family over for a summer party, catered by Cassini's Pizza. Shout out Cassini's Pizza, it's some of the best pizza in the entire world. Here's my son Cal, and here is my beautiful wife Katie. Thank you so much for helping make all of this happen. And here are my parents, Dad, Mom, love you guys. Let's get back into some of the awesome footage from Jordan. Again, thank you to Jordan for capturing this awesome content. Thank you to the friends and family who made this all happen. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider liking or subscribing. I mean, I don't really need a lot of subscribers right now. I'm up to 300. Again, in 2022, I am prioritizing making content for myself like this, having fun, being able to pick my own music. And really just being able to insert any cultural reference.
God, I hate trying to end these things.
More content like this. I have a goal of number of videos that I'd like to publish, and so this is number one. Again, thank you for your time today. I appreciate it. Until next time, I love you, friends. Okay, let's move on. Cut!